Hello and welcome. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about the present continuous tense, especially how we use it to talk about everyday actions happening right now. We'll look at the structure, usage, lots of examples, and a short activity to help you remember it easily. Part 1. What is present continuous? The present continuous tense is used to describe actions happening at the moment of speaking. Example: I am talking to you now. Temporary actions or ongoing actions. Example: she is studying for her exams this week. Future plans with time words. Example: we are going to the park this evening. Part 2. Structure of present continuous is subject plus am, is, are, plus verb plus ing. Examples: I am reading a book. He is playing football. They are eating lunch. Negative form: I am not reading. She is not working. Question form: are you watching TV? Is he sleeping? Part 3. Everyday actions examples. Let's look at some everyday actions in present continuous. 1. I am brushing my teeth. 2. She is cooking dinner. 3. They are doing their homework. 4. He is reading a newspaper. 5. We are having breakfast. 6. The children are playing in the garden. 7. I am talking to my friend. 8. She is cleaning the room. Notice how all these actions are happening now or around now. Part 4. Common mistakes. Let's avoid a few common mistakes. Incorrect: he playing football. Correct: he is playing football. Incorrect: she not is studying. Correct: she is not studying. Incorrect: are you go to school? Correct: are you going to school? Part 5. Practice time. Let's practice. Fill in the blanks using present continuous. Pause the video, try answering, and then check below. Answers: 1. Am drinking. 2. Are not watching. Is she writing? 4. Is sleeping. 5. Are learning. So today, we learned how to use the present continuous tense to talk about things happening right now or around this time. Keep using it to describe your everyday actions. It's a great way to improve your English fluency. If this lesson helped you, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you soon with another topic. Until then, keep practicing.
Want to learn more? Choose any video here or visit our channel for unlimited learning and improve your English every day.